Hi guys, welcome back to Chatterbox. Today I'm going to be making some doll food for my Reborn doll. Her name is Daisy. So let's get started. So I'm going to be making some blueberry mash and I'm going to be making some fresh lemonade for her. So I'm going to get her bowl from down here. It's nice and pink. Her favorite color is pink and yellow. Okay, and now we have 3 options of spoons. Which one should I do for her? This is dark pink, this light blue, or this light pink? I think she would love this light pink, so I'm going to put it in the bowl. Okay. So I have her bowl. I'm going to get her bottle from down here in the drawer. Okay, which bottle should I get? This nice red one. I think she'll like it. There we go. And I'm going to be using this moisturizing cream. I'll leave it down there. And I'm going to be getting her food colors now. Okay, so we have pink, blue, green, and yellow. We used to have red, but we ran out. So we're going to be making some lemonade first for her. I'm going to be making some lemonade. So I'm going to open the bottle. So I'll need the yellow food coloring and the blue for the berry. These won't be used today. Put them back in the drawer. Okay, so I'm going to be filling it up in the kitchen. Okay, fill it up. I think it's all good. Okay, all good. Let me put the bottle here. Move this one out of the way. And here, I think there's not very much yellow food coloring left. So I think this will be the last time I'm using it. Pour a drop in. There we go. Maybe we can use this one more time next time because there's still a little bit left. And this food coloring has lots of color in it. Okay, close the cap. Daisy's over there playing with her toy dog. She really loves it. Ooh, look, nice lemonade, fresh lemonade. Okay, kind of looks like orange juice from the red bottle. It's lemonade. Now I'm going to be using the moisturizing cream. So take the thing off. To stop babies from squirting lots of cream out. So that's to block it. So whoops. And I'm not going to pour it straight in the bowl. I'm going to be using this mixer to mix it up. So we'll put the bowl here out of the way. Okay. Squirt. Why is it not squirting? I think it's meant to be this one. There we go. Not squirting. That should be plenty. Where's the line to go up to the stick right there? Yeah, just a little more. Okay, there we go. So we're done with this. We can clip the thing back on. And we'll stop from pressing it. And put it back up there. Okay. So now we're gonna be putting the blueberry flavor in. There we go. 2 drops should be back in the jar. Okay. Time to mix it up. Don't see it mixing. I bought this new blender that you mix with, like a mixer, and it works pretty well. Might still need a bit more food coloring actually, so I'll leave it here. Mixing. Let's see how it turned out. Yeah, I see the blueberry chunks. I'll add a bit more flavor to it. Otherwise it'll just taste like cream. Daisy will not like it. Now keep mixing it up. Ooh, you want to see? It's mixing up pretty well. On the edges it's not really mixing up very well. Daisy looks so cute, they're playing. She has this toy dog. Not sure what she named it though, but I gave her this ball to play with as well, and she's pretending that she's playing fetch with the dog. Mix. Let's see how well it's mixed. Nice, yummy blueberry. Look how well it mixed, guys. Okay. I'm gonna pour it in. Wow, it looks very less since I mixed it. There's some on the cap. There. Get it. Don't put it on the white table. Let's just be purple. It's going to be hard to get her to stop playing. That should be all of it. That's part of it. Okay. Oops, I got some on the table. It's okay. Lucky it didn't stay on this table. Okay. This should be all good. Just mix the food a bit more because some of the bits didn't mix properly. Look at her food. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video with Daisy. Bye! Hi guys! So Daisy is sitting over there playing. So Now I'm gonna get her to eat. Daisy, it's time to start eating. No, I don't want to. I'm playing. No. I'm staying playing. No, you have to eat, otherwise you're not getting any dessert. Dessert, I want dessert. Okay then, come on, let's go in the house. You can take your dog. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna take her. First, I'm gonna take this off and her bib off. Press these two buttons. And now we can get you in your high chair. There we go. And now, let's put her bib on. Like this. And there we go. There we go. Okay, now we can attach the tray on. Here we are. Okay. Your dog will sit here. There. Yay. Yes, and you're not gonna play, you have to eat. So I'm gonna get her food. And her drink in the drink holder. Okay, Daisy, time to start eating. You like your blueberry? And you like the bottle and spoon I picked up for you? Yeah. She likes it. Yeah. And your birthday's coming up soon, Daisy. My birthday. I want to try some. Some of your lemon juice. Yeah. Is it good? Yeah, it's very yummy. Okay. Keep eating. Yummy. More. No, Daisy, it's for you to eat, not your dog. I said no playing. I said only your dog can just stay here, there, like that. The toy dog. My dog is dirty. Yes, because you didn't listen to me. We'll give it a wash after, okay? Okay, doggy clean, yes. Your doggy will get clean. Yeah. Allow your dog to say and what? Ruff. My doggy can't eating. Hey, stop it, Daisy. Daisy, this is enough. This is the second time that you've played with your toy while I told you not to. It's gonna go on the floor. No, I want doggy. I want doggy. It's on the floor. And I want my dog. Put it where you were playing before. Oh, I want doggy. No, you're not getting the dog. You didn't listen to me. Yay! All done. Yeah. Okay, take your bib off. Wait, I'm gonna have some lemonade. Okay. Yay, dessert. Yep, it is dessert time. See? Your outfit looks pretty good. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and please subscribe to our channel. Bye. Bye. I'm so excited with dessert. I want Oreos. Okay, we'll give you Oreo. Yay. Oreos. Okay, bye guys. Stay tuned for part 2.